Hello again, welcome back to Gracessignature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my coconut rice recipe. This is a very simple but tasty recipe. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I have right there a pinch of salt, half a cup of desiccated coconut or coconut flour, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 ton of coconut milk, 3 cups of jasmine rice, and 2 onions diced. I'll add in my saucepan or pot my coconut oil, leave this to melt, and then heat it up before adding in my diced onions. Alright, so I will leave the onion to fry in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And next, wash my rice and then add that in. I am using jasmine rice. Feel free and use any rice that you have available, okay? So yes, I'll give this a good stir. Leave the rice to fry in the oil a little bit for about 2 minutes. And then next, add in my salt. Stir those. Add in my desiccated coconut or coconut flour. And stir those. The stirring is very important, okay? That helps everything to combine or distribute evenly. All right, so now I've added in my coconut milk. I will give this a good stir and then allow this to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding in my water. I am adding 1 cup of hot water. The amount of water you add depends on the type of rice that you are cooking, okay? So, after giving this a good stir, I will cover it with parchment paper or foil and then add the lid. Cover it with the lid. Okay, so on a medium heat, I will allow this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It's now time to check on the rice. Wow. Oh my God. Yay, flavors. The aroma. Coconut. Hey, this is aromatic coconut rice. All right, so yeah. After stirring this, I'll cover it and then allow it to cook for 10 more minutes. All right, guys, so at this point my coconut rice is ready and it's time to serve. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. I love using this saucepan. It is non-stick and it gives me the best rice ever. My rice doesn't get burnt. I don't get that burnt a friend is saying asieno and shit. All right, guys, that's my coconut rice right there. It's as easy and simple as that. Our coconut rice is ready to be served. All right, guys, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, it will go straight into your inbox. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.